guys, what's up? It's me, Ezra and Todd, right? And
hey guys.
We're doing our unboxing video. We promised you guys it's Garden of Banban. Take a look at this when we unbox it. Whoa, it's so cool. Look at the back. It has all the stuff you can collect. It has a piggy bank, an action figure. Ooh, we can use one of those. Two minifigures. Sticker sheets. Ooh. We knew that for some videos.
Yeah.
Okay. Mask. Ooh. Plush. And poster. Okay, guys.
Let's get into it.
See? All of that's right here. I read it. Okay. We promised you this on our shopping video that we are not posted at this time. Because when we got straight home, we ate our Chipotle.
So what you want to do is watch the Target video first, where we get this, and then watch this. You don't have to. You can watch it in any order you want. But if you want to see us buy this, that's on the Target video.
You got mad.
All right, so we're opening it up. How's it going? Do we need some kind of?
No, you don't. I think I can get it from the bottom.
Okay.
I would never really get this from the bottom. Wait, where is it? Let's see.
Want to start ripping it?
Sure. But Todd, there's a special thing right here.
Oh yeah. So what you probably want to do is get a safe tool to use for this.
It hurt my nail.
Yeah. You get like let's say a knife or scissors or something, but you don't want to just you want to talk to your parents before you do that. You don't want to just start grabbing things.
Not a knife. Just not a knife, bro.
Anything but a knife. Not a knife. So I'm gonna get some scissors. I'm gonna get some. Oh yeah, you can't use a banana, right?
Yeah, or a rock. Really, rocks don't work that good.
All right, here we go.
Scissors, can I have them?
What I'm gonna do is we can just cut right down here.
It's a piggy bank.
After just a couple cuts, maybe even just that one, so you can just pull it.
Yeah, like whoop-ow, wow. Oh wait, we forgot about the sticker. 6+. It says 6+, but
You have to be at least 6 years old to play with this.
yeah, but oh my! Oh wait, no, now it's 9, bro. It's 9.
I guess that's a cheat code.
Guys, guess how you open it. Before, pause the screen and put in the comments, how do you open this Garden of Banban? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Do you guys get it? We'll see in the comments. See, this
I
is
think
how
it's
you
from the
open
side.
it. Look, you open it here, then you open it here, and then see this. But this is our piggy bank. This is the piggy bank they were talking about. See, you open it like that, and guess how you open it next?
Oh!
Wow, so good. Look, we have all the stuff here. Okay, let's take all of this stuff out.
Yeah, let's show everything one at a time.
Okay, we got everything. Ooh, sticker sheet we got first that we found. Is it? Oh wait, no, this is the poster. This is the poster. Okay. This is the poster. Okay, we got the poster.
What else
We got stickers. See, we got some stickers of some of them. Why doesn't it have the sheriff at least? The sheriff. Look.
Oh, put it on.
This does not look like. This looks like evil Banban.
It's kind of
okay. Ooh, you can
So
see
these are individually
flesh.
wrapped, whatever they are. So it's like an unboxing within an unboxing.
Yeah, kind of. Really, it's not really all the way. Don't cut the plush.
Yeah, again, don't just start grabbing scissors, guys. You want to talk to your parents and make sure that's okay.
Look, we got Banban. That is not dead, at least. Now. God, I think that's too big.
Is my head too big for this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Don't just grab stuff, Todd. You might break stuff. That's alright. Todd, you may see, guys. This is it. the garden of Banban. Naked like all the others. Most of them are naked. Okay. Ooh, our action figure.
Oh, so this is this guy.
No. That's his girlfriend.
Look at the ears. They're the same.
Party? Sir.
I mean these two.
Yeah, they're the same.
Okay.
They're both Banban. This is Vampirina. But she's not a vampire. No vampire.
No vampire.
See, this is her.
Allowed.
This is her. See? But she chases you. So that's why she's in this pose. That was our action figure. It's meant to have 2 action figures. Oh wait, no, it wasn't an action figure. Never mind. Sorry, guys. We're confusing you. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 things. We have 4 more. Let's go. We have a Banban little guy. Oh, Banban. We got Banban in town. Mama.
I love them. They're great.
The last piece. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Well, it has 7 and 8 in here. Okay. So let's see what there is. What do we get? Oh wait, no, this one. Whatever.
What is that?
I have no idea. This is not in the thing.
Wow.
This is not in Garden of Banban.
That might be rare.
I don't know if you can get different stuff. Actually, you can. Like, where's the plastic thing?
I threw it over there. Maybe you can get different things every time. It's like a mystery pack or something.
I don't know, but it showed Banban. It shows. I meant Josh, whatever his name was. And he has the little thing with him. But some reason he's blue. This never happened to him. Is there a secret ending that I have not seen yet?
Let us know, guys.
Yeah. Because is he a half gorilla? I don't remember that being on him. These little foots.
Maybe he's half gorilla, half cookie monster.
Footsie footsies. No, look, he's
Let's
green.
show everything together.
Look, he's green. Blue, green.
Oh yeah, he's green here too.
Wait, guess what? There's new 7. The new one's coming out. I think it's 8 or 7. Or 8 or 9, whatever. But there was St. Noodles called him Weird Band. It was a blue Banban without this. And he had a little beard. And he was a little different. And maybe this is Jumbo Josh, that version. So yeah.
So you get all this stuff. Well, we got all this stuff. Maybe the stuff you'll get's a little different. But there's a lot here. You got this guy. You got this one here. Pretty good. Pretty good haul. What do you think? Okay.
That's what he does.
Sometimes that happens.
No, that's actually what happened. This happened to her Vampirina.
Alright. Well, thanks for watching our unboxing video. And I hope you enjoyed the Target video as well.
Yeah. Come back here. Peace. Hurry before, leave before he smashes you. Bye.